Let's be real. This ETM RTR already looks like a stork. Well, since Stork newly released the EX, I have new aspirations. Let's make it look like a mini Stork Varg EX. Why am I saying stork? Well, this is not a Stark Varg product. This is the Electro & Co. ETM RTR from Electro & Co., not Stark. There's no affiliation whatsoever, but I do have to say, in my humble opinion, this thing looks like a Stark. Please don't be mad at me. Our lovely friends over at GritShift kindly provided us the parts we need to facilitate this transformation. Shout out to the homies, Trey, aka Trent, and OG on the channel. So this is fully 3D printed. We got it in the black colorway, and it has mounts for zip ties to zip tie it on, and the headlight is gonna mount directly through here. It didn't come with a headlight though, so I snagged a cheap Suron knockoff headlight on Amazon that should mount right up. I already have the headlight kit and 12-volt converter kit from Electro & Co., so we should be able to cut the stock headlight plug, wire in this Amazon one. First up, we're yanking off the stock headlight and then shittily wiring in the new plug. Got 3 wires on the stock headlight and 2 on this one, so. All right, we got it all set up here. Have some wires dangled together. Moment of truth. Hey, it works, let's go. Shitty angle, but next up we're gonna remove the front lens on this thing because we're gonna use this on the front. So we've also got some longer bolts to screw it in, so let's do it. All right guys, so here she is mounted up. I actually didn't use this front plate thing because I need longer screws, which I ordered, but apparently I ordered the wrong size. So sorry Trent, but you know how I am with bike work. I suck at it, but let's throw this thing on. All right, and she's on. We gotta snip some of these zip ties. Dude, it looks pretty sick. I think we might have to go all black on this though. To truly be a Stork Varg EX, it'd have to have the white number plate, but it's all right. We should probably do all black, but let's get the rest of this thing together. All right guys, I think it came out pretty sick, but let me give you all a look.
Lock in, lights, camera, action. Telly, SPN, it's a top scene. Lock in, lights, camera, action. I don't fold a band when it's
All right, off, on. Super good headlight. All right guys, I feel like she looks pretty good, but I gotta get to bed to go to work, but I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right guys, it's the next day and we have the beautiful RTR right next to me. This thing looks so good, but let's go ride it. Yeah, I would say personally that I think it looks pretty good. I will say that it's definitely subjective. Some people are not gonna dig this look. I love the red plastics on this bike. However, this would look way better with the all black plastics. So I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put all black plastics on it. Then it should come together nicely, but I still, even with the red plastics, think it looks sick. And I think this headlight, even though it's a cheapo Amazon one, it's better than the stock Electro & Co. one. So pretty sweet, but now we're just gonna get out and enjoy some nice riding. On this beautiful RTR. I have just been loving these RTRs so much, both this one and the light. The light's kind of the dedicated off-road one, but honestly for wheelies too, it's just as good. Stoppies are getting better. But yeah, this is purely an aesthetic mod, but I think it looks sick. I saw GritShift made it. I hit him up. I hit up my buddy Trent, who works there, and he was able to hook me up. So shout out GritShift and Trent. So yeah, you probably can't even buy this thing. I don't even know, to be honest, but shout out GritShift. So with the RTR guys, you have to be at a complete stop for the throttle to work after you take out the key. But I wonder if I can key out, key back in, essentially slow the thing all the way down to nothing. Oh, gotta get the key back in first and then ride it out. But basically, I'd have to slow it down to like here. And then I could wheelie again because it has to be a complete stop. I don't know why it does that. Oh, we got it, but we fucked it up there at the end. Let's try again. Oh. Ah, almost. Ah, so close. Too much brake. I think we're gonna get this. Keys out, keys back in. Count it! Count it! All right, now we properly got it. But yeah, if you guys are curious, I'm still in love with this RTR. My two only bikes currently are my RTR and my RTR Lite. I ride them both actually pretty equally. They're both great bikes. I'd probably ride the Lite even more if it had supermotos on it. But this RTR is also so dot. If I have to pick between the two, I'm obviously taking RTR. Oh, big news, guys. We have a ride out coming up. That's right. Baltimore, Maryland, October 4th. Mark your calendar. I'm hosting a ride out with my boy Red Shogo, offline Red, whatever he goes by. We will be hosting a ride out in Baltimore. He's gonna come here all weekend, hang out. So that's gonna be sick. But if you're from this area, definitely pull up because it's gonna be a good time. Guys, it is so impressive how good these formula brakes are, and the pads have lasted me literally since I put them on. I've checked the back pads like 3 times now, like, because from the outside it looked like they were pretty low, but they still have life. I've had these on for like 6 months or something. Just absolutely nuts. We can turn our little light on so we look more official. Oh my god, there's so many people out on this trail right now. But yeah, the ride out in Baltimore should be pretty fun. Can't wait to chill with the homie Red again. We will both be riding our Electro & Co RTRs, and stay tuned. There might very well be a giveaway. More info to come on that though. Now, riding this RTR does have me thinking about the Stark Varg EX and how much I would want one. Guys, I will be getting a Stark Varg EX. I feel like at this point, it is very much my dream bike. I mean, I would also love an Ultra B too. So hopefully there is a Stark Varg at some point in the future of this channel, but that is such a phenomenal bike. It is crazy how similar they look though. Guys, the judgment you get as a grown man riding this little bike around is hilarious, but who cares, bro? I'm out here having the time of my life on my RTR. Haha. There we go, buddy. Little gravel hand drag. It's one thing I have gotten more consistent at is hand drags, and I think that's thanks in part to trying to do them every time I ride, but more so to my can I become a pro rider in 7 days video, where I literally made myself do them every single day, and that's how I learned it. That's how I got better. Same goes for stand-up circles. The stand-up circles help me in normal stand-ups because I used to not be able to stand up. Now we're able to get down from stand-up to side saddle. Progression is what it's about. That's what's so fun about these bikes, and why I think so many people love this like e-bike stunt riding scene, is because it gives you the opportunity to get better at something. Like, you can go out every day, practice and progress, and the only person stopping you from getting better is you, and that's pretty cool. We should get a scrape bar on this thing. I mean, it's fun. I feel like it just kind of cooks your brake pads though. Alrighty guys, well, I think that's gonna do it for this video. But huge shout out to Grit Shift for sending this over. Huge shout out to Tressex Trey for the hookup. But I think it looks sick. Stay tuned. I think next video we'll probably do all black plastics on it, and that'll look dope. Whoo-wee, well, we're back now, guys. Let me show you this thing in all of her glory. I think she looks sick. Again, I know some of you are not gonna love it at first, but it's something that kind of grows on you. And again, I do think once this is all black, it's gonna look so much sleeker. But from the side, from the front, even from my POV riding, I think it looks good all around. But it is way too hot in this garage right now, so that's gonna do it for this video. But if you're interested in the Baltimore ride out that I'm doing with Offline Red, make sure you click below. Otherwise, guys, go to 100K if you could sub. I greatly appreciate it. Peace.